Hey all, back with another unboxing. Today we've got the Panasonic GH5 camera. It's a micro four thirds camera, shoots 4K, up to 180 frames per second at 1080p, 60 frames per second at 4K, as well as other frame rates in between. This is a package deal that comes with the Leica Vario-Elmarit 12 to 60 millimeter f2.8 to 4.0 lens. Let's get started and open this up. It tells you about the optional accessories there on the box. When you open this up, information. Got looks like some guides. Quick guide to 6K, 4K photo, and we've got the Panasonic owner manual right here. Very thick, some good reading there to do later. And here are the actual goods. Trying to be somewhat gentle. Well, so much for that. Here's the lens. All wrapped up. I'll open that in a minute. And the actual camera is right here. Charging cable. I'll find out what that cable does in a moment. Battery charger. And some apparatus here, which I'll also see what that does in a moment. Strap. And the camera itself. The Panasonic GH5. Feels quite solid. Look at that. Very nice. Also, forgot to mention, comes with the battery, of course.